This is a Dubai traditional dress. Muslim women wear an abaya and a shayala. This is the men's traditional clothing. They put on a hempen hood. It's called a gupra. And Dubai has a very interesting greeting custom. Look! Traditionally, men of Dubai say hello by touching each other's noses together. Isn't it interesting? Hey, I want to do it too! Miro! Miro! Oh, friends, where could she be? Huh? What's that sound? That's a desert bike. The bikes need to go over sandy hills, so the wheels are very big. Whoa! That looks so cool! People are riding their four-wheel ATVs in the desert. A long time ago, they used to ride camels in the desert. That's right, camels in the desert. Huh? That reminds me of a story. Do you want to hear my story?
Tell me!
Okay. A long time ago, there was a camel. One day, a camel met a cow on the street.
Hey, camel! You don't even have a horn. Don't you want to have my horn?
The camel was depressed.
How come I don't have a horn?
The camel went to see God.
Oh, God! I want to have a horn, just like a cow.
You have a big hump on your back, so you can walk for a long time in the desert.
But I want to have a horn.
Okay, fine then.
God made the camel's ears very small. God punished the camel for not being happy with the advantages that he already had.
Kids English School.
키즈톡톡